Hello everyone, this is Deepak, and right now we're just going to show you how we can upload the our our project into the GitHub. So basically, this is our entire project here, and this is the total project here. And if I click on that, you just see that this is our total project. So basically. Uh, if I open it in Google Chrome, so you can see that this is the our entire project basically. This is the entire project, and right now I want to upload it in my GitHub account. So how we can do that? We just see it here. So for that we just open it our GitHub account. So for that we just go here, and this is the basically GitHub website. I just to zoom it again, so you can see that you simply click on GitHub account, and basically GitHub account here, and I just click on here, and after clicking on you just I just again zoom in, so you can see it here. Here we just input our username, and here we just input your respected password basically. So for that we just I input it my username and password. So uh, this is my username basically, and I after that I just input my password. After inputting my username and password, you can see that this is the repository basically. I just again zoom it here, and here you can see uh, uh, this one basically. This is our this is my entire repository, and this is the single repository basically here, and here we just upload it our entire content. So simply click on here, uh, uh, this area basically. motor motor बंद करिए ना, and here you just click on that, and after that you just click here, and again I zoom it here. Here our entire content will be showing this way, and this is the profile repository and entire content here. So simply click on the your profile, and after that we just simply create a repository. So again I just go and make it here. Again I click here, listen, then we just simply click on here repository, and here is the our repository, and after that again I click on here, and after that we just create a new repository here basically. So simply click on this button, and after clicking we just create a page here. So here after click on you just create a page basically. So this is the entire page. Okay, okay, this is the entire page basically, and we understand what is inside it. So this is the name of the repository, that means the name of the our project name. When you give the name of the project, here the data will be showing here. Next content will be our public. The entire content will be public in the GitHub. If you want to you can take your code in private, you may pay some money to GitHub account. Basically the entire data will be private in this platform, basically, and no charges are required for the public data. uh, and after that we're just having the initial readme file. Click here. So in this case we do not use this to organize the file, so we do not require it right now. So I just give the file name here, that is our my file name is project02, project bar 02. And here showing that my repository is okay and this name is available for our project. And this is the entire content. Basically you see here, this project 02 name is available for our project, no problem. And then we just click in private, and then we just simply click on create repository. No need to press on initial the repository, it is not required. We simply click on create repository. After that our entire data will be showing here. And I just again zoom here. 1 second. This is the entire data basically. uh, this 5 content is required for us, and this is the website where our entire data will be hosted here. This is the data provided by, this is the website provided by the our GitHub account, and here will be entire data will be showing here. It is showing that HTTPS, that means your entire data will be secure, no need to worry about that. No need, it is a secure website by seeing this one. And we see this 5 command. First initialize the git, then add the readme file, our entire file, and then we just go to the commit here, then we just remote it, and then we just push the function. So let's see how it can work. So again we just go here, and we having the project file here. I simply showing, okay, I just minimize it, I just close it. Here is my second project here. I just simply double click here, right click here, and go to this one. Again I just go here, this portion, basically this one, get bash here. So again I just click here. So right click here, go to get bash here. The entire data will be showing here. After saying that, right now we having the desktop, and then we just having the project here. So again we just click here and see the entire data, and we simply copy paste it. So no need to, okay. So one by one I just simply complete it. So I simply write git init. This is the command basically. Again press enter. Initialize empty git repository. This is the total project here. Then we just add the our content here. So here one data will be created, I think. What a second. This is the total data will be showing here. So I just add it here. Project02. So again we just click here. Then we're just having the second command, that is git add. Then we just input our entire data here. So having the, I just input index.html. next of HTML, add after that git add styl style dot css, then next our file name is my file here, this one. After having three images, so I again go to here and see the properties here basically. So it is name is bar and save is jpeg. So my content is dot jpg format, and this one is again, if you see here properties, so it is also png format. One is jpg format, another png format, another one is our jpg again format dot jpg. So again bard dot jpg, and again I add git add bird dot jpg. It is okay. The git add dream dot png, then I just add git add our next is sunset dot jpg, again jpg. So after that, after completing this one, again we just go here, and after that we just see here our third command, that is git again git, then I will just use commit here, commit, commit, then just fast commit git commit fast commit, then press enter. After that you can see this is the entire content will be showing here. Again I zoom here, so that you can see I simply add entire data I want to fetch, and after that I just simply commit it here. I just simply commit it here, and after committing you see this content will be showing here. So this is the entire file, total 5 data. This is entire total 5 data it is entering here, and after that after git commit I just git remote here. So I simply copy it here. I simply copy it and copy it, copy, and in order to insert it, we simply use shift insert here, and I just get remote to another one. So it is get remote successfully, and after that we simply select this one last portion and again copy it, and then just to go here, and again I just simply press enter, git push minus u org master, and press enter here. After that it waits few seconds, and then we will see the entire results. So after that we see that this is the data will be showing here, our user ID and password. So I simply fill it. I simply pasted DPAK SHO2 password is our. After inputting our username and password, it is showing that our entire data will be successfully uploaded in the GitHub website. And if I zoom here, so you can see that after this we are having this message here basically, and it is showing that after inputting this data, git push origin, and our entire data will be showing here, and it is showing here. And this one is our website where you can see our entire data, and you simply copy paste anywhere, so that you can, if you click on the website link, you get the data basically. So our total data will be showing here, and this is 1 megabyte, this one 1.2 megabytes. So after this we just simply click on project 02 to see what is happening here, and here you see that the entire data will be showing successfully. I zoom it here, and so data will be showing here. Let more zoom here. This is the entire data showing here, and this is completed before 4 minutes. Okay, if you want to download or clone it, you simply click on here, so you see the data basically. The entire data will be here, and this is for our opening in our desktop, or if you want to download it, you can see the entire zip file in your computer. And this is our entire link to share your entire content. You simply use it. If you want to copy it, you simply copy it here. So this is the total basic content here, and I will successfully and upload the entire data. And right now you are seeing that this is our entire data. I simply refresh it, so here you can see that the entire data will be showing here. Okay, where is the data? Okay, click on repository, and here you can see that this is the entire data here. If you click on that, the entire data will be showing here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.